Okay, here we are on our final component. Please go back and look at your rubric. The third row addresses the analysis of the essay. So if you received a proficient or excellent in this row, then this video is not for you. Otherwise, go ahead and plow ahead. So how should paragraph 4 be set up? Well, it must begin with a topic, statement, sentence. This is where you introduce your counterclaim. This is the opposite of what you are arguing. So if you are arguing mercy, then this is where you'll introduce that you could understand how some people will think it's murder, or vice versa. Sentences usually start with something like this. My opponent will say, some may say, well, it is true that, but blank is not completely accurate. It is often argued that. If you're struggling with this paragraph, then use one of those sentence starters to help you. Once you have your initial statement, then you're going to give your rebuttal sentence. This is where you say that their claim is flawed. Sentences usually start with something like, admittedly, certainly, of course, or however. Once again, you've already acknowledged the other side with the first statement. Now you need to come back and have a rebuttal sentence. Sentences 3 and then 4 follow each other. These are the same types of sentences that you wrote in your reasoning paragraphs. This is your counterclaim to their argument. So once again, make sure that when you find evidence, you have lead-ins, transitions, and it blends well. And then your explanation sentences also need to make sure that they have transitions and that they actually support what it is that you're talking about. Do not forget to come back to the whole issue at hand, which is the arguing of Lenny and George and the killing. Your fifth portion of this paragraph is your closing statement, which drives your point home. Once again, what is it that you are proving in your essay? Go back to your thesis statement and think about it. This is a time where you might restate something near that, but not using the same words. Finally, if you received a needs improvement or unsatisfactory, then you must redo the reasoning paragraphs and the counterclaim rebuttal paragraph on a new document.